Hello friends, back again with me on the Ogboy channel. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and comment. There are also 3 trucks here. Wow, the truck has a big box! We'll put the toys one by one into this truck, guys. But before continuing, click subscribe and like the video. And here there are 3 big trucks, guys. There is red color, green color, and also blue color. Let's take the first toy. Whoa, there is a car transporting animals from the zoo. Look, guys, here there is a caterpillar toy. This caterpillar toy is green in color. We save it again. We take it again. Whoa, look, this is a red truck. This truck 4 is a box truck. We save it again. We take it again. Whoa, and this is a sand transport car. This car is yellow in color. We save it again. We take it again. Wow, and this is a water tank car. This water tank car is colored blue and red. We save it again. We take it again. Whoa, and this is a yellow fire engine, guys. We save it again. We take it again. Whoa, and this is a red-colored race car, guys. We save it again. We take it again. And this one is an orange race car. We take it again. And this one is a toy off-road car. This off-road car is orange and has 4 wheels. Whoa! And it turns out that the red truck is full of toys. Let's move to the green truck. We take it again. Whoa, look! And this is a toy coal transport truck. This truck is yellow in color. We take it again. Whoa! And this is an old-time car, guys. The name of this car is Bajaj. And this is a blue box car toy. We take it again. Wow, there is a cool blue racing bike. We take it again. Look, guys, and it turns out that this is a white racing car. We take it again. Whoa, and this is the blue fire engine, guys. We take it again. And this is a blue toy that is a steel tank. We take it again. Okay, guys, here there is a Biko car toy. This Biko car is yellow in color. Wow, look, guys, it turns out the green car is full of toys. We continue to the next car. But before continuing, click subscribe and like the video. We take it again. Wow, there's a little tank car. Whoa, there is a red Tayo bus car. His name is Gani. Wow, this is a Biko car construction car. Wow, there's a toy, the mountain car off-road car. Whoa, there is an excavator car. This car is orange in color. He's very big, isn't he? We take it again. Whoa, there is a Transformers robot toy. Wow, there is a green box car. And this is a red Pertamina tank car. And look at friends. It turns out that his toys are full of many toys. It doesn't feel well. Let's take it home. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Goodbye, friends.